Again and again and again, 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 again. Welcome back. Hey, kita buta the question that's happening.
Thatu eng.
Tharo.
Wow.
Let's go.
And again, but doesn't need an introduction.
Hi.
So, pila Ranalamang.
Unati, Sister Kaise. Sister Kaise.
Okay, Sister Kaise. So,
from the HiSwa district. HiSwa.
Okay. First question. Kemang o rapelating before Ramahera Mohau ko revival. Remember there was Ufefe and there was a lady who played before Ufe Samuel Ufefe. Who's the lead?
Wait. Yeah. HiSwa Semlot. No. It's that lady, man. HiSwa say Jimistin. Was it Jimistin? Axel HiSwa say Jimistin.
How good be?
It's Jimistin.
Okay. So now, second question. Do you know the Wesley Guild?
I sing.
Okay, Shab, the play or you to pledge?
Yes.
Tell me the third word. Go pledging.
It's my name.
What are you saying?
I agree.
It's a what?
Desire. It's desire. No, it's my surname. I agree. It's I. I did right.
What is a desire?
How?
With a desire.
But I thought maybe you were skipping our name and surname.
Okay, Chapa. District Yamato baby thing. Can you fraternal greetings? KFing.
Central.
No.
Yeah?
Central.
Hello, Bongi.
How are you, Bongi? I'm good. You okay?
How are you, Bongi?
No, it's Limpopo.
Yeah, only tell you the Tarabia. We share the phone yaga, the benayaga, the camera yaga. What was the Genesis 1 verse 3?
Yes, I knew it. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be difficult.
The Lord created the heaven and the earth.
But we're gonna run. We're gonna keep on moving. Left, right. Left, right.
Wow. See you on.